They said it was over, but you can still jailbreak your Firestick in 2026. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today, I'm exposing a brand new method that ensures you never lose access to your favorite content. Whether you have the latest Amazon update or the classic interface, this walkthrough is designed to keep you streaming without any interruptions. Before we dive in, make sure your device is plugged directly into a wall power source, and not just the USB port on the back of your TV. This is a common mistake that causes major performance issues. Also note that this specific method works on almost all models except for the basic Firestick Select. Our first mission is to get the downloader app. Since the new update has changed how searching works, you will need to head over to the Find section and manually type in the word downloader. Look for the bright orange icon and get it installed. Once it is open, you will see a red cursor that confirms everything is working perfectly. Now we need to unlock your device's full potential. Navigate to your settings and find the My Fire TV section. If you do not see developer options, don't worry. Just click on the About section and tap the name of your device about 8 times. A message will pop up saying you are now a developer. Now you can enter developer options and turn on the toggle to install unknown apps for downloader. Privacy is your next priority. Head to Preferences and then Privacy Settings. You want to make sure device usage data and interest-based ads are all turned off. This stops unnecessary tracking and keeps your device running much faster. For the ultimate 2026 setup, you must use a reliable VPN like IPVanish. Internet providers are now actively blocking content and even access to the stores we need. Running a VPN bypasses these blocks and keeps you anonymous. For the best results, set your VPN to auto-connect on startup and use the United States server location. This ensures you get the fastest updates and full access to every application. Now we are going to load 2 incredible backup stores. In the downloader app, type in the URL for the first store to pull the latest APK onto your device. I always recommend having a second store installed as a backup just in case one ever goes down. These stores are complete mirrors of each other and give you access to the best working versions of every app you need. Once your stores are loaded, you can find all kinds of categories for movies and live events. If an app ever stops launching, don't panic. There are special utility tools you can install from these stores that act as a virtual machine to fix any compatibility issues. This keeps your apps running even if they are technically locked out by the system. This jailbreak method is the most reliable way to maintain your home theater in 2026. It protects your wallet and puts you back in the driver's seat. If this new walkthrough helped you stay connected, give this video a like and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Drop a comment below and let me know which town you are representing today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.